Hello everybody, nice to meet you even if it's just through a video. So today we're here to talk to you about the FBMG logo. How did it start? The decision was that obviously we wanted to keep green so as to resemble hope and nature and naturality and the gift that nature gives us by giving us all the food that we have every day. Secondly, we felt that the shape, this sort of leaf shape of the logo, although it was old-fashioned the way it was done, we could definitely improve it. We also decided to improve the F and B and obviously not call it just a business group, but be more clear on what the association was all about. So we obviously had to explain through the logo how people, members of FBMG, collaborate together, how they innovate together, and above all, how they grow together. We also had to bring in the human values. Secondly, how we could facilitate the connection between the association and the governing bodies of UAE, because obviously in the food industry you have many regulations. Then we had to have something that was efficient and long life. And of course, it had to bring the right degree of modernity, but also credibility. Well, here you can see the logo. It is a beautiful, evolved, simplified green leaf. In the leaf, we put F and B. The and is not a normal and. It has an emphasized movement, which is the connection between the people, and it also has a little green shoot. Therefore, the logo promotes growth and being together and wanting to be together. That's why the F and the B are joined by the ampersand. Then we have the name, UAE, Food and Beverage Business Group, Inspiring Sustainable Well-Being. Why? Because in fact, sustainable well-being is the biggest asset, because we want to make sure that whatever we do is sustainable and will be good for the people we feed every day, but also for the planet. And that's why it's written in terracotta. It's quite close to brown, but it's just got a little bit more sunlight in it. So it's readable and it also stays very natural and very compatible with the green. The magic of this branding work has been to be able to use the leaf with FBMG, but we can also use it just with the ampersand and the shape of the leaf. The leaf gets bigger with panels of green to give different messages. These panels can be posted on your motorways, in head office, it could be a letterhead, a visiting card, whatever. So these panels will help you organize the information. Here is an example, the water rules. We must not forget all the co-branding companies that FBMG has to live with. Each time the FBMG logo sits beside its partner and they don't compete, they are together, and one has its branded colors, the green and the orange, and the others have the colors of the company or the associations or the government body foundation. Last but not least, will the offices of FBMG be decorated? Will we do some interior design? Yes, of course. So the branding works as well. It gives dynamism, it gives naturality, it gives life, it communicates something every time somebody comes in to the business conference room of the FBMG Association. For we hope some very good meetings. And lastly as well, we've done the brand guidelines. So here all the guidelines are explained on how you can use the FBMG credibility. So please be proud to use the FBMG branding, and then we wish you lots of luck and lots of success, and soon I hope see you all in Dubai. Thank you.